to Rampart Lake right now, and with our kayak, which is up on top of the roof, and we are going to try it out for our first time. We got all 3 of our dogs. The puppies are at home.
We go last time but have rain and we don't have kayak.
Yeah, last time we didn't have a kayak. Challenge, like, can he do it, you know?
And how big the peanut?
Oh, it's like, you know, this big. Like this big, and then he's got like a little spoon that he pops it up. You know, he moves it. I'll show you.
They still do now?
They said it was going to take him 3 days, so I don't know if he spends the night there or he just goes back the next day. And
how much they give if
oh, and nothing. He just gets to be like in the newspaper.
And your nose will get more scared or something?
Well, he's got something connected to his head, and then it's got a thing that comes out in a little like spoon.
Really?
Yeah. Do you want to walk that sometime?
I don't think so. I can walk but no have peanut.
Yeah.
I don't want it.
You need to pull those tighter, honey. I'm putting on the straps. I'll put this one on now. There.
Stay here, look. Stay. Hannah? Heather?
Oh, we're in our kayak right now.
Where Hannah?
Hannah's right here.
Okay,
Hannah?
okay. Heather here. I think she like this is the first time for our dog. And this is the second time for me too.
Kayak?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go first time with you.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry. Because I want to see you. I can lay like this.
Pull in. It's waterproof.
Need to be careful.
All right, here. You want to get out? Okay, get out. Go on, Hannah. Go. Go on, Hannah. Go. Go.
Harry,
Stay here.
Don't go too far.
Okay. It's our first kayak experience in our boat here. Harry jumped in the water. Heather's still in the boat, trying to stay dry. We're getting the food ready right now. Hey, you guys. Come on, you want to eat? And we're at this lake right now, Lake Rampart. Gotta look around. What you got in there, honey?
This the sticky rice. This
Right.
I bring the egg for dog to
Yeah,
the boiled eggs.
right.
And you said deep water, right?
Well, yeah, but he's gonna swim.
Wait, I show you the rock. This rock, big. We almost hit same Titanic.
Oh, you could probably scuba dive here. Just be able to see everything down below.
But they not let you swimming.
Yeah, probably not, but
That's
it's so clear though.
Yeah.
You can see where the water level was. Like sitting right on the edge. Standing right on the edge next to her dad.
น่ารักนะ So cute. Harry and Hannah. Look at Heather. Heather fall asleep. Daddy boy.
You stay pretty dry in here, you know?
Yes. Maybe we not sell this kayak. Maybe keep a little bit.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. See her.
Let's go back around the corner. Let's see what's back there.
Okay. Do it.
Okay. Yeah, the seats are pretty comfortable.
Yeah. I like the seat. You can lay down like this, you know?
Yeah. I don't know. I have my glasses on. That's silly.
Huh?
I'm wearing my glasses all this time. Silly.
I wear sunglasses too.
Yeah?
My eye very sensitive. I cannot without the... You want to come with me? Good girl. เจ็บไหมลูก Are you hurt? Harry, Hannah, not go too far, okay? Walk แล้ว Hurt. Yeah.
It looks deep in here though. Harry, Hannah. It's like, oh, I want to sit on down flat.
Oh.
Now we gotta work out.
Do it.
We're moving pretty good now.
Yes. Maybe the wind kick us. What you think?
I don't know.
You be careful, Hannah, not fall down.
No, she's not. She's kind of more so inside.
Go more.
I'm trying.
More. Almost. Whoop, whoop. Yeah. See both sides.
She was laying down while we were moving.
Love says something about your partner. She helped you good or not?
I'm doing all the work here.
I help you too.
Harry and Hannah are just watching.
And now time for cookie.
Yes, cake.
You buy cake? What
Cake.
What kind of cake?
Chocolate.
Wow. I like chocolate. Do it, okay?
You got wet. You scared? You little skinny dog.
Hannah, don't think about.
She's like ready to jump in again.
We need the safety for Hannah.
Yeah, she needs a. My pocket the whole time. That's crazy.
Dangerous, huh?
Yeah.
I see some people they live under their car. I see like yes last time. Harry, stay, look. Stay around here, okay?
I'll be right back, honey.
Okay. Maybe they not show rain around our area.
Right, just here. That's good.